Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate Excel multiplication. To begin, always start your formula with an equals sign in the desired cell. The asterisk symbol, often found above the number 8 on your keyboard, is the operator for multiplication. You can multiply numbers directly or, more commonly, reference specific cells containing the values you wish to multiply. This fundamental step is crucial for all subsequent calculations in your spreadsheet. Let's walk through multiplying two cells. First, choose an empty cell where you want the answer to appear. Type an equals sign, then click on the first cell you want to multiply. Next, type the asterisk symbol. Finally, click on the second cell. Pressing the Enter key will instantly display the product of those two values in your chosen cell. This method is efficient for simple, two-factor multiplications. When you need to multiply more than two cells, you can simply extend your formula. After the second cell reference, just add another asterisk and click the next cell, and so on. For multiplying an entire range of cells, the product function is incredibly useful. Type equals product, then open a parenthesis, select your desired range, and close the parenthesis. This function will multiply all numbers within that specified range, saving you time and effort. Sometimes you need to multiply a series of numbers by a single constant value. You can achieve this by typing the constant number directly into your formula, for example, equals a 1 asterisk 5. Alternatively, place the constant in its own cell and reference that cell in your formula. For instance, equals a 1 asterisk $B$1. Using an absolute reference, like $B$1, ensures the constant cell remains fixed when you drag the formula to other cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.